how to enable face unlock in Money Manager. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable face unlock in the Money Manager app. Let's get started. First, launch the Money Manager app on your phone. Now here, tap this more icon. Now scroll down until you see passcode. Okay, it's right here, passcode. Tap on it and enter your new password. Set it, re-enter it again. Okay, now once you open the password again, you can see face ID right here. Okay, tap on face ID. Now once you tap on face ID, just toggle this on like this. Now just close everything. Now once you go to Money Manager, your face ID will be detected. Tap on try face ID again. As you can see, your face ID has been detected and you just unlock the app. And that's it, face unlock makes securing your Money Manager app quick and hassle-free. So do it now. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thank you for watching.